What's up guys, Joseph Williams at Jaws Fitness. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. Today, I am currently 19 days out from my show, probably doing classic physique. I was watching one of Arash Rabar's videos and he was talking about being so close to a show, he needs more volume from his meals, and he was talking about adding in mushrooms and asparagus. I actually have a friend who's competed in classic physique before, and he was telling me that mushrooms were a lifesaver for him just because it added volume to his meals. So we're gonna throw in some mushrooms, do some asparagus, and we're gonna mix that with chicken. My chicken's already pre-made. I just want a little bit of variety. And we're gonna be spraying the pan down with this coconut spray. It says, so you hold the can down for 1/4 of a second and it's 0 calories. Like Arash said, no one holds that for 1/4 of a second. So we'll probably have a couple calories from fat in there as well. And you said lemon pepper for this?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna season this with lemon pepper, and hopefully it should turn out to be a pretty decent meal. Let's find out. I said I can cook, but sometimes she just takes over and she gets frustrated because I'm a little slow. Okay guys, so I eat a lot sometimes and I like to keep things simple, so I just eat out of these weird little Tupperware bowls or Rubbermaid or whatever it is. So just calibrating the scale to make sure I get the right amount of chicken. Right now I'm gonna get between 175 and 200 grams. It's roughly 30 to 40 grams of protein. And I want to eat some more later, so I'll probably keep it closer to 175. So 179, that's perfect. I'll just go ahead and round that off to 180. Okay, just gonna add a few mushrooms. Make sure we don't get any of that drainage. And then we're gonna load it down with some asparagus. Okay guys, I tried it and the chicken was a little dry, so I had to add some Frank's buffalo wing sauce. The best part is it's calorie free, so it fits my macros. I can have it. Overall, it's not a bad meal, guys. I'm only a few bites in. I'm very pleased, and it fits my macros perfectly. It's barely over 200 calories with about 35 grams of protein and about 4 to 5 grams each of fats and carbs. The fats mostly came from the chicken and the Pam spray. The mushrooms barely had anything in them. The asparagus is where most of the carbs came into play.